Good morning. In this presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX Copper today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. Yesterday, copper market opened around 424.9. That is around 425. You can see this black color box and this tiny candlestick within the black color box indicates the price opening. What we expected yesterday was that you can go back to the previous day and see we had explained clearly it is a triangle pattern formation. So if you connect all the highs, you see a triangle, and if you connect all the lows, you can very clearly we can witness a triangle pattern formation. But at the end of the closing on the previous day, the market just broke this triangle upward and closed higher. So what we expected yesterday was that it depends upon we clearly mentioned that it depends upon the price opening. If the price is going to open above the previous day price closing, and if it is going to move and break 426, then it gives us a clear price direction for uptrend. But if the price is going to open below this, and if the price staying below 424.5, and you can see all the support zones here, there is a lot of consolidation. If the price is going to move down, then what will happen? So it is going to be a possible reversal in trend if the price can break 425.3. So these are the implications which we can learn from the price actions. So many times we have told understanding the market price action is very key in understanding how we can trade in the market. So that is a major reason why we left for the traders to decide how you can decide in this type of pattern formation, and when the price is acting like this, what happened in copper yesterday. So just because that it is unless until you learn how to make a clear and valuable trading decision, you cannot win in trading. So you cannot always depend on others to make a trading decision for you. Whatever we are providing in the video presentations is purely a guideline for you, and it is up to you to decide what you are going to do, because it is always your hard earned money you have invested in trading. So now let us go back and see what happened after the price opening. So after the price opening, you can see the market just dropping down. It gives us a clear direction that the price is heading downwards. So this is the way of understanding the price actions, and we should be flexible in our strategies. We have two strategies. You can go back and see what we explained yesterday and what we explained on our weekly presentations on Monday. So now it is clear, after the price opening, the market suddenly came down. It is a steep fall. It came down and tested this 423.6, around 423.6. You may notice that this was the support the market took on the previous day, and it tried to pull back, and this acted as a support so many times. You can see on Friday it acted as a support. So now it is going to play a crucial role, but the pressure is clearly on the downside. Now we should know if the price is going to stay below that. It gives us a double confirmation that the price is going to head downwards. Let us see what happened after that. So it provided a support, and again the market pulled back, but this time it has broken the support, and see the pressure, how it is releasing its pressure. Again 422, it's quite easily the market is breaking this 422, and it is putting, since 422 is a major zone, it is providing some support for copper market. So again there is a lot of opportunities. Market is providing us a lot of opportunity to make a clear trading decision. It is not straight away it is dropping. It gave you an opportunity to decide in this zone, because every single candlestick represents 7 minutes. So it is based upon your decision. So you can see again after dropping also, it has provided us an opportunity to make a trading decision around 422, since it is also a major support zone. So this 422 had provided a support for copper market and tried to push the market higher. Let us see whether the price can sustain this. No, it is not sustaining that. Again the 422 was also broken. So again there is a consolidation here. It has provided us a second opportunity to say that the price is clearly heading downwards, because it has broken the major zone of 422. Now we can very well see it is a straight away fall in copper market, and the market is clearly heading down in the price direction, and it is staying in line with the downtrend, and after it reaching a 419.4. So this is the price where the market had reached. So it is clearly dominated by the sellers, and the copper market closed around 420. This is the closing. So the copper market closed around 419.9. So when we go back and see the entire price action and compare the yesterday's closing with the opening, yesterday's closing is around 419, that is around 420, and we compare with yesterday's price opening, so it is clearly dominated by the sellers right from the price opening, but it had provided you an ample time for you to make a clear trading decision. So that is the main objective what we are saying. We cannot be adamant in market. We cannot be adamant. We need to be flexible. If you want to be adamant and if you show, then the market will teach us a lesson that how really the market works and how really trading works. But it is always costlier, because if you make a single mistake, you are going to lose money. It is going to be much costlier lesson for you. So that is the major reason. The basic purpose of showing all this presentation is not to show that what we can do. It is always that it is a tutorial, educational tutorial. You need to learn how to make your trading decisions. On seeing the entire price action, yesterday copper price action, it is very clear that the market was dominated by the sellers. But what we can do for today, that is another question, because based upon the COMEX price, we can expect copper to open just above the previous day's price closing, which is going to be around 421 and which can be around 422. So this is the major zone which we can target. But again, it is going to be a testing for us, because since the price has closed below, and a little bit you can expect copper to open just above the price closing. It is also subjected to changes, just because we are presenting this video presentation well before the currency and the commodity market opening. So based upon the COMEX price, we can say that it may be around 421. On seeing the COMEX price, there was some bounce back, but it is also because rupee is playing a major role in deciding the trend and the price opening. So that is a major reason we always insist on seeing at 9 o'clock, go back and watch where the rupee is there. If it is heading down, then please you can expect the market. We need to adjust something in the market. Today's commodity trading, it depends upon a lot of factors. It is not like earlier years. So if you have any doubt how to correlate this, sure, you can contact us and we are ready to help you how to correlate rupee and commodity trading. So that is another typically another different topic for you. So what we can do today is that there is no doubt in the trend. So we are going to stick on to one of the major key zone in copper trading. So this 422 is going to be a major key zone for us. It will also be supported by the short-term average. So today it is all depends upon how the market is reacting at 422. So stick on to this zone. So it is going to be a very profitable. Even if you have lost, just leave it. Stick on to this zone. If the price is not going to stay above 422, if you didn't get any closing above 422, so if the trend if there is any buying, the market will move above 422 and it put a pattern formation, because as we all know, copper is always likely to form a pattern. It will not take a sudden drop or gain like how it is happening in gold market. So copper is entirely a different commodity. If it's want to clear any major zone, it will stay there and it will give you an ample time to take a clear and valuable trading decision. So this 422, if there is no price action, unless until we see a clear price pattern formation and a closing above 422, we cannot expect copper to move higher. So that is very clear thing we have, but it is always depends upon your trading decision. Like we always say, it is a guideline for you. Based upon the price action that is happening during the trading session, you can decide and you can modify and you can be flexible how much amount you have in your trading account based upon your trading method. So you can go with the trading process. So stick on to the 422 zone, because as we have explained many times, this 422, 425, 426 are very key zones in copper trading. So if you are a regular copper trader, you may know that factor. So many times you would have seen this number for the last 2 years. We would have seen this 422, 425, 426 a lot of time, because these are the key zones in deciding the trend. So the market is expected to test around 422 in order to make a clear trading decision. If the price couldn't break, if the price fails to break 422 and if it is still heading downwards, you can expect copper to reach 416 initially, and also again 412 is going to be another key target zone for copper trading. So let us see what's going to happen during our trading session, and be strong on support and resistance. And if you have any doubt, you can contact us. We are always ready to train you and help you in commodity trading. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for all your support, and happy trading with good luck. Take care. Bye.